Hey y'all, it's Rosie here at Rosie's Garage. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming to spend a few minutes with me to go over some of the cool stuff we like to do to Harleys, road glides, whatever you got, different vehicles that we get to play with. Today I'm very excited to share with you something that you don't normally get to do. I spent less than $300 on a product that some of you are going to be very familiar with, but it's really cool because it changes the bike, makes it more versatile. It's going to make it more comfortable, and it's going to add a lot of utility, all for under $300. That's a heck of a product. I also want to reach out to everybody who's watching. Please, if you like the content and you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment. It helps the channel. Lets me know that what I'm doing is helping y'all, or at least engaging y'all, and you're having fun with it. That's all I got to say about that. Even though I'll probably pop it up a few times, please subscribe. Without any further ado, I'm going to get to our product reveal. Okay, what do we have here? What we have is a big old box that I got from Amazon. I ordered this about a week ago. Gonna open this bad boy up right now. I don't usually do the unboxing videos, but what the heck? I'll do one real quick. Okay, so that's a true unboxing reveal. I didn't even open this guy yet. So what I did is I went on to Amazon and I looked at some other reviews, and I've had an Ultra before. I've had a couple of Electra Glides, and my girlfriend wants to start going for rides for me on my beautiful road glide, which right now is filthy. I'll have to tell that story some other time, but we basically went on a ride this weekend and went through some water crossings. Not really what I was planning on doing, and neither was anyone else on the ride, but we did. So what I ordered was a Chopped Tourpack, and I believe the company is TCMT. It's one of these China-based companies, sorry, but that's where they come from. Hopefully that's not blocking too much. And ordered myself a Chopped Tourpack. And because I've had an Ultra and I've had everything else, that's all that's in the box. I'm gonna throw the box over there. Oh wow, it comes in a nice little bag here. This is pretty cool. This is nice, wow. All right, I'm excited. Let me open it from this side so y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see it, let me check. Okay, perfect, you can see it. So, it comes in a nice little bag here. This is cool, a little protective bag, and wow. This is super nice. Looks just like the Harley Tourpack, the Chopped Tourpack, except for $269, I believe, with, this is the cool part, it's not just a Tourpack. Okay. Apparently I don't know how to open a Tourpack. If I can open it, it comes with the mounting bracket, which now I have to open that up as well, and a back pad. So the back pad is buried in this guy. Are you kidding me? Really? It's like one of those Fabergé eggs. I don't think that's actually wrong one, not Fabergé eggs, but the ones with the Russian doll eggs, where it has one egg inside another, inside another, inside another. So, here you go. So it has the back pad. That guy's gonna go in here, and you do on these, I believe, yeah, you're gonna have, it has on the inside of this, let me bring the camera around. Interesting. It does have one of the spots marked for drilling, but not the other ones. Interesting. But anyway, this is basically gonna go on this guy like this. Sits like this, should make it comfortable. So here's the comfort part. My girl wants to ride with me. I want her to ride with me. She, you know, sometimes going with someone that you enjoy riding with makes the ride. We used to go on my Ultra all the time and take little adventures, and she didn't like all the backrests I was doing. All the generic Harley backrests, I know I have a couple of them around here, or the Harley look-alike backrest. She didn't like those. So she liked the Tourpack on my Ultra, but it's a giant heavy thing and it kind of makes the bike look like crap. So I'm gonna open up this, and this is gonna be the mounting bracket, which hopefully is black like I requested. So match the bike. And voila. By the way, oh, this is a nice heavy duty piece, and it's got the quick releases here. So let me unwrap this and I'll be right back. Okay. So this guy, and I have no mounting hardware. I'm back. Sorry I disappeared for a little bit. I got a little bit silly. I had forgotten that when I read the description and a couple of the comments that there was no hardware included for mounting. Hello, Bosco. Bosco the Wonder Dog is here. There was no there was no hardware included to mount to the actual bracket, so I had to go run to Home Depot and pick it up. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing everything there. Just drill some holes, mount it up, and be good to go. So what did I pick up? I picked up, basically I wanted to, that sounds really silly, but I just kind of wanted, I like the gold because it kind of matches the bike. Anyway, I picked up some 1/4 inch by 20 by 3/4 inch long. I'm not sure if these are the right size or not, but it feels like they should be. Picked up some nuts to match, and then I got some fender washers to spread it out. Now you do have the option when you are buying the Tourpack to get a metal plate that'll fit in there. I decided I'm gonna go with washers. Realistically, I'm not sure how much a metal plate helps, but it's $45 to get it, and I thought that was kind of silly. I'll probably find a little metal plate to put in there at some point. I couldn't find anything, strangely enough, at Home Depot. So anyway, I'm gonna drill some holes, and what I mean by that is these holes right here, and it's the 4 holes there, or they're not actually drilled all the way through. I don't understand why they do it this way, but they do. Basically, you're almost poking through with the drill, and it mounts to the rack that's included. So here's the rack that it comes with. It goes right into your quick disconnects here. I just mounted it up, and I actually kind of mocked it up to see what it would look like. And once again, sorry the bike is dirty. So real quick, gonna interrupt here for a second. This coming week, I'm going to be doing a ceramic coat on the bike. So I was gonna wash it, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna wait, because you have to wash it and I guess wipe it down with alcohol. So there's a whole bunch of steps involved, but I'm gonna ceramic coat the bike this weekend, so I figured I'm not gonna clean it until I clean it all at once. Hello, Bosco! And Bosco's hanging out with me tonight because Bosco's always hanging out with me. Anyway, be back in a second. I'm gonna drill these holes, and all I'm gonna do is just gonna make some holes to put those 1/4 inches into those guys. I'm gonna get some nuts and washers, and I'll show you how I mount it up after the fact. I'm sure you guys all know how to turn a drill and put a nut and a washer together, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to put the back pad on, and I look, it's kind of weird glue spot there, but whatever. So I look, and unlike the holes that were here, they're real easy to figure out where to drill them, and I just drilled right through them and put it on a little soft towel. This is my super soft towel. I'll make sure I don't scratch anything. Anyway, and I noticed, I'm like, why don't they have the same thing here? Well, they kind of do, but I guess it's in case you don't want to put a back pad on it. Let me get real close, see if I can get, there you go. Now you can see the circle there. See, there's a little circle there. There's one over there, and then there's one. Here, just with the flashlight, there you go. So you can kind of, those are circles you need to drill to mount these 3 mounting bolts through there. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna drill through those holes, and I'm not gonna make you watch that. And then I'm gonna mount it all up and put it on the bike. It's pretty much ready to go as soon as I drill the holes and put these guys on. Okay, before I start putting everything all the way back together and button it up, I wanna show you what I did. So these are using those screws that I showed you, and the nuts and everything, and I put a fender washer on each one of these points here to help distribute the weight a little bit. Hopefully these are reinforced enough right at this section that won't have a problem. Underneath, and hopefully you can see, I've got the same setup. I put fender washer, nut, and I put a lot of Loctite on each nut, and I'm gonna let it cure overnight because I'm not even gonna be riding tomorrow. Actually, I have a car I have to drive. But either way, that was it for the install. And then what I did is I just drilled these 3 holes. Let's talk about here. 1, 2, 3. We mounting that back pad up, and I'll put that on there, and then when I'm done and wrap it up, I'll show you what it looks like. So I went out and about with my new Tourpack, my Chopped Tourpack on there, and I'm extremely excited. At first, I was thinking it's just gonna be something that's temporarily on there, but I'll tell you the truth. I really like the look with the Chopped Tourpack. It may just stay on there permanently. One of the big advantages or disadvantages of being on a motorcycle is doing something like this where we wanna get something to eat. Well, today, I'm gonna put my first thing in my Tourpack, other than that rag, and boom, my fiance, we could fit a pizza in there. Wow, I could have fit a bigger pizza in there. I was scared. Look at that. So overall, I am really, really happy. Looks fantastic. And like I said, the Chopped Tourpack doesn't make it look like big geezer glide. Instead, it just adds a little utility. And honestly, I think it adds some style. So thanks for watching again. This is Rosie. See you guys next time.